Hello guys, if you want to unlock the Mazda RX-3 Forza edition in Forza Horizon 6, then what you need to do is head over to the Daikoku parking area. I'm going to show you the exact location on the map in just a second, but this is the place where you can find the aftermarket car spawn. Unfortunately, getting it is mostly based on luck, so you may need to keep checking the area until the correct car appears. Once it finally shows up, you should be able to purchase it for around 450,000 credits. Now if you want to know where this location is on the map, it is basically at the bottom part of Tokyo City. Over here you can find the Daikoku parking area and the car meet location. Around this spot you should see the aftermarket vehicle spawn point, and if the RX-3 still does not appear for you, try restarting the game, then come back and check the location again, because the aftermarket cars can refresh after restarting and different vehicles may show up each time. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.